Introducing Initium cable. Initium is our entry-level high-performance power cable designed to give you audio electronics better sounding performance. It's high quality but at an extremely fair price. Replace those low-grade black plastic power cables that are given with any new electronics. These cables are designed down to a low price using poor grade materials, not up to quality for high-grade audio. Each element in the Initium is of audio grade quality. 2 square millimeters OFC conductors, superior PE dielectric, cotton filler, quality terminations. So visit our website to overview our full range of award-winning cables. So what does the press say?